Turn right, honey, turn right, please. Turn right.
Where you want me to go?
Turn right.
Wait, wherever you're gonna go, it's snow.
Yeah.
So why you want me to turn right? What's the difference?
You don't want to go major road because here you see more snow, right?
Major road is lots of snow. Look. This guy gonna complain. You videotape him. He doesn't want to be videotaped.
You're so funny. Thank you very much for the ride.
Where the hell this thing goes?
No clue.
This guy is doing the plow. Wow. Wow, that's a lot of
Don't
snow.
run over him.
I'm not running over anybody. You know why?
Oh my, jeez, lots of snow here if you look. Huh?
Lots of snow everywhere. You think this here is not lots of snow? They say when I was driving this morning, then St. Catharines got 50 centimeters.
Wow.
Which means what? More. More than here. A lot more than here. Okay?
I guess your buddy's place.
He's north, maybe he didn't get more. The most of it came. See now when you.
What's this, blur?
You can't even see. The car's coming.
Why?
Because the mountain of snow.
Yeah. See the left building, oh, it's the building we're living. On the left side.
But here is more because the driveway and from the road they pile it together, okay? So and it's higher. Okay? It's not because it's more. They clean the driveway, they push it, and they push it. Stop. Well, I'm in the car, yeah?
Maybe we can go on Price Shopper first.
Who?
Price Shopper?
Price Shopper.
I said maybe we can go there first.
I thought you said we're going there to buy juice.
Yeah,
So?
yeah. I mean, we also go Chinese market, right?
Oh, we can go to Chinese market too. We'll see. What else you want to buy? In 1939, we had a snow this much.
This much?
A few
Or
more
more?
inches. Yeah, but they're talking all winter long, and then they're not finished here. And then Wednesday they're talking the snow again, which is mean.
This Wednesday?
Yeah.
You kidding me? I'm going to the concert. Wednesday.
Wow, I don't know how much, but they're talking about more snow.
No.
And that's what I heard. I didn't see the TV or not. They're talking about Wednesday more snow. Now it's gonna be a lot. I don't know, a little bit.
Honey, no snow on Wednesday. I'm going to the concert.
Well, he's going to the concert, okay? That doesn't mean you're not going to snow. And this car, they now don't want to stop, see? They're going to stop because I see yellow. Ha 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 ha, you bastards.
Stop. Be cuckoo.
I see one woman try to pull another woman today.
Serious? How?
The poor woman was crossing Blue Street, and from one side to the other, you know, the plow has piled everything on the side, and she couldn't go over. He was fat and old. Like here, she was going something like that.
Yeah, there's no way to walk.